Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday, happy times and sexy. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without wasting your time, let's get to start of today. Guys, the one thing about God, when it is your time, it is your time. No one can stop that, guys. God will come through for you, no matter whatever situation that you're in. We have seen that with Vuyo, guys. It seems like Vuyo, guys, she got herself a new job and a new car. She did bought a car last year. That car, it was for her mom. Huge congratulations to Vuyo, guys. Guys, have you seen ever since Vuyo, guys, ayekilele ngane yasemzumbe libubesele mzumbe, life is just moving smoothly for Vuyo, guys. Very soon she's going to graduate. She did say she's done with the school. One thing about dating a cheating man, guys, it's very hard. You lose focus, there's nothing you can do. You're always focusing on him, checking, investigating. Even when you are not around him, you will call him, you will go to WhatsApp to check if he's online, he's not online, what is going on, if he's dating this person. If you don't find him, you will call nonstop. Guys, it's a full-time job to date a cheating man. Honestly speaking, guys, you don't have a break. Every day you're crashing out. So for her to leave Mpumelelo, it was the best decision, guys. Vuyo, guys, she's happy, she's living her best life, she's enjoying. I also saw another Twitter saying Vuyo, guys, she's now becoming a body. As long as she's happy, guys, the most important, we need to be happy. We are not here to live for people. So another story, guys, the person who's been dragged on social media right now on Instagram is Musamsaleko, guys. So this morning Musamsaleko posted ingane yakamangwabe with a caption, Mangwabe Siyabonga. And people are asking themselves, what is going on? You didn't want this child. You still remember Mangwabe say when she got married to you, she had to leave Simpiwe behind. She was advised by her family. So they are saying now that Usimpiwe is independent, educated, you know very well he's no longer your responsibilities. Now you are posting him, appreciate him, kanjani. So people are currently busy dragging Musamsaleko to say, we know you very Musamsaleko. Watch what umuntu wengane awumfuni. Now you are praising Simpiwe for what reason? So Musamsaleko, guys, one thing about this day, Musamsaleko will just post, no respond. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section one thing about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.